I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone battery drain in iOS 26. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up settings and you need to scroll down and select general. From here, go ahead and find background app refresh. Open this up and you're going to see a bunch of different stuff on here. If it's set to Wi-Fi or cellular data, go ahead and turn it to off. This will stop those apps from refreshing in the background when you're not using them. Then go back to the main settings page, scroll down a little bit more and you're going to see privacy and security. Go ahead and open that up and you're going to see location services up at the top. Go through your apps and look for anything that has used your location recently. If an app that doesn't need your location is using your location, change it to never or while using app. Then scroll down again and you're going to see system services at the very bottom. Select it and then you want to turn off any location services that you don't need, especially ones related to product improvement or unnecessary tracking. From here, go back and you need to go to your main settings page and select battery this time. So scroll up a little bit, you're going to see battery. Open that up, it's going to show you a bunch of different stuff on here. Go ahead and find power mode on here. So scroll down, select power mode, and you want to go ahead and turn on adaptive power. And this is going to help your iPhone adjust performance and brightness to save battery. Go ahead and back out even more to the main settings page. Scroll down to the very bottom, select apps, and then open up mail just by searching for mail. Open up mail accounts once you're in here and you're going to see this little option that says fetch new data. Go ahead and turn it from automatically and turn off push, and you want to put this on manually instead. From there, you'll be good to go. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.